Hi, it's Tracy Luciani Price from Price Team Mortgages during our state of emergency and shutdown. Just wanted to let you know if you need some help, financial help during the crisis, Price Team Mortgages is open for business. We can do Zoom calls, we can do phone calls, we can have you email your documentation, and we can look after you. So we don't want you to suffer alone. We're here to help, and we hope that there is no one going to be suffering during the crisis. Now, here's some of the things that you can do to protect yourself. One thing you want to make sure, especially hourly workers are probably our most vulnerable workers out there. You want to make sure that you have enough cash that you can make your mortgage payments. For goodness sakes, I've said it once, I'll say it again, get off weekly, bi-weekly payments. Now, lenders are allowing you to forgive payments if you have a valid reason, like you're not being paid, to forgive mortgage payments. This is really an advantage to anybody that cannot make those mortgage payments, and they are saying that they will allow you to do this if you call in to their customer service departments. So call into your lender, ask them if they will forgive your payment. It doesn't mean that they're forgiving the interest, and this is what a lot of people think. Skip a payment means forgiving the interest. No, 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 no. The interest is still accruing if you miss a payment. So you want to be very leery and only use this as a last resort for your mortgage payment. You know, borrow money from your folks, borrow money from friends to make sure that your mortgage payments are being paid, because my fear is the lenders are now going to have a list of vulnerable marginal mortgage clients, and if things really take a tumble, you're going to be the first ones that are going to be on the chopping list in terms of housing. So we want to make sure that people's homes are protected. If you have a place to live, your foundation. The other thing that I wanted to say is stash some cash, okay? Take some money out of the bank if you have it, and most people have done it, and most people in the know have some cash. Stash some cash because, you know, cash is still king. So this is just a prudent measure. I'm not saying take thousands and thousands out of your bank, but make sure that you've got enough cash if for some reason the banks have to close down and you can't get any cash. I guess the other thing is stop watching the news for a steady consumption of this coronavirus. You know, fear breeds fear. I know I sat all Saturday and watched the news, you know, watching it repeat, repeat, repeat. And then Sunday, I said, enough. I'm not watching the news, like getting a steady diet of this. You know, we have to believe in the goodness of people, and that our bodies are strong and our bodies will fight this. And yes, it's smart to take, you know, social distancing and all of that. Be smart about having washing your hands and making sure that you don't come in contact with people that could possibly get it. But stop the fear mongering and let's really tap into the goodness of people and all the lessons that we can learn from this. As a matter of fact, I'm already seeing changes. People are picking up the phone more. They're talking to people. They're not just texting people. They're actually having real conversations. We're social beings. And, you know, if you can do something to brighten someone's day and stay away from this steady diet of coronavirus, a state of emergency, people, you need to be fearful. No, I choose to tap into the goodness and the light, and that our bodies have the ability to fight disease, and that's where I want to keep my head. And I'm going to protect you guys, whatever you need. If you need some help, I'm here for you. I had a man call today. He wants to extend his amortization. So, you know, take the payment pressure off for a high payment, go to a lower payment. There's all kinds of strategies, but look at your finances. Do not stick your head in the sand and think that this is just going to be go away, because you need to have, as they say, some protection for your finances. So wishing you all good health And hopefully we all come together and we're all better as a community and a world because of this. Bye for now.